Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize the lock screen clock on your iPhone in iOS 26. This is a brand new feature, and a lot of users still don't know it exists, but it's super easy to use. Let's get started. First, go to your lock screen and do a long press. Just press and hold anywhere on the screen. This will take you into the lock screen customization mode. Next, tap on the Customize button that appears at the bottom. Then select Lock Screen. Now, tap directly on the clock. As soon as you do that, a new control will appear. From here, you can simply drag the clock downward to change its size. The more you drag it down, the larger it becomes. And if you want it smaller, just keep it closer to the top. You can resize it exactly how you like, whether you want it big and bold or small and minimal. It's a nice little way to personalize your iPhone's look. Once you're happy with the size, tap Done in the top right corner, and that's it. Your new clock size is now saved on your lock screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching.